New Living family, it's Jessica and welcome back to New Living. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and peel an avocado without all the mess. You're probably thinking, cutting and peeling an avocado, how hard could it be? And you're right, it's not hard. But I personally witnessed an avocado massacre. I mean, there was green mush everywhere. Let's not forget about the cut finger. Hold up. Was that my first experience with an avocado? Or was that just a dream? Anyways, let's get to slicing and peeling. So first we're gonna make sure we wash our avocado. Wash all your fruits and vegetables. Make sure the avocado is nice and ripe. This avocado is really ripe because I'm going to make some guacamole. So it's really soft. And you'll see how it's kind of mushy when I peel it. So yeah, make sure it's nice and clean, ripe. We're gonna take our knife and slice the tip of the avocado. Take that tip off and remove that. And then you wanna rotate the avocado, keeping the knife nice and steady to make sure you cut all around the pit. Once you cut all around the pit, you're going to twist the two halves apart. There you go. And then you're going to aim your knife at the pit and give it a little hit, a whack into it. And you want to make sure that your knife doesn't slip. So you want to make sure it kind of dents in there. And then you're going to twist the knife to pull the pit out. You're going to take the tip of the knife and you're going to score your avocado. Make squares. And then nice and thin, real nice. There you go. Just like that. See how neat those squares are? Nice cubes. And then you're going to take a spoon and then you're going to press against the skin of the avocado and it's going to gently scoop out. Look how clean that looks. Nice, right? Another option is actually taking the knife and slicing the half into two other halves. And just like a orange, you're going to take the avocado skin and then you're going to just gently peel back just like an orange and slide your finger around. You can also use a spoon as well, but it's a little messy just because it's kind of mushy. And there you go. Don't forget your everyday bagel seasoning. It's like my favorite. It's the best for avocado. Shake it on there and boom. Simple, right? Pretty easy. There you go. And I'm going to use this to make my guacamole, add some other seasoning, but you get how it works. Around, yeah, let's get a chip. So, now that wasn't so hard, was it? Join me weekly here for more tips and tricks, or visit jessicataylornewliving.com. Also catch me on the social world, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, what else is there? Pinterest, LinkedIn. I mean, just the social world. Join me there as well. And remember to always eat pretty. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.